Welcome back to my channel. So I want to quickly show you something. You guys have been busy and I've not even been taking my camera along with me. I've just been going up and down. Anyway, long story short, I want to show you guys this overnight oats I made. I've made this in the past, like 4 years ago or so, and I really loved it. But this is the oats I used. I don't know if you can use any other oats, but I just use the regular Quaker oats now that we all know. So I used one sachet. I made two of these, one for my husband and this is mine. So I just poured one sachet into it because this my jar is small, and I usually have all this kind of jars at home, especially when we finish things like what they call this thing now, jam. So when I'm done with my jam or mayonnaise or anything, I just keep this jar because of all these things I do. So let me tell you how to make it proper. So what I did is I made yogurt. I don't know if you must have seen that video, but I made my own homemade yogurt, and I put in milk, normal regular milk. I put in milk, I poured in my oats, and then put in my yogurt, put in apple, whatever fruits you have, you can just put it. But this one I just put banana, apple, and groundnut, so you can add nuts as well. And let me open it for you to see. You can also drizzle honey in it. You can put sugar, and I added my yogurt to it. You guys, this one is very rich. When is it very rich? Look at it. So the essence is the milk, the yogurt, everything will soak the oats, and it's always so sweet and rich. And you just, oh, I forgot, and then you just freeze it, put it in your freezer overnight. That's why they call it overnight oats. So you just freeze it, and yeah, because it's very cold and very iced or blocked, it's always so nice to take it that way. That's like a regular parfait that you do. Okay. I'm fine. I can always say I'm not losing weight. I do this to add weight safe. Oh yeah, you see some of the oats, banana, apple, granite. I love it. So you can have it as your breakfast, dinner, whatever. So nice. My yogurt is actually very thick.
Because I saw how everything that we use for that should be rented and we spent over ₦1 million.
And as far as you guys don't start it, I will still drop price for 10 to
Exactly. Let me even bring it. Maybe you even use it to shoot.
I clean my lens.
Just one item I have that
See, it makes sense. So, and now,
that will line now for
now there's over use and do photo shoot.
exactly. That's why, but elements is so nice.
No need to pay to
I said at least for a start. I'm even giving the. I'm giving it a name, banjo.
for it now.
That's what I want. That's what I want. I want to put an Instagram page, so I'll be renting all the time. I even want to go to Abel, all those places. Wow.
If I sit properly, mama. You're not here.
No, yeah, you know, here for.
He was going and coming.
In fact, he has intention of him going yesterday. Intention of going. No, very low. Some people are all over the people. And no one takes it. Nígbà tí mo kọrin, mo dúpẹ́ tí mo rí àánú gbà ó ní mo kọ ní bathroom mi.
Control, they are taking control. If not, none of us will be here right now. But here,
Ọlọ́run ti ṣẹ́gun yẹn pé ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ mú wọn.
This looks as if everywhere is just too crowded. So now she can say now the thing be that too. I said, ah, but this changing will put people off now. I said, so if you want to put somebody there now, how much will you now put? Is it 7,000 naira? She said, no, it's 69,999 naira.
In 600 meters, continue straight through the roundabout onto Obaseko Main Road.
Instead it's Coco the opposite.
Continue straight through the round.
Mama, you're matching me. You're matching me, Mama.
Yes, yeah.
Let's see. Mama, wait.
It looks like pizza. It's a good idea. It's cake. Cake is always hot when you're sweating.
Let me see if I can pull right. Yes. So these are my food is looking. Yeah. So it's looking.
Sorry. You know dogs, they go wherever they want to go.